Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to sketch a cubic graph, marking the points on the x-axis where the graph intersects. So we've got different examples here. So let's start with the first example. So we've got y equals x minus 4, x plus 2, x. So first thing we want to do then is find out where the graph crosses the x-axis. So if we make each bracket equal to 0, so if we solve this first equation by adding 4, that will give us x equals 4. Solve this one by subtracting 2, so that's x equals minus 2. And the third one is already solved. Okay. If it hasn't been factorised the cubic, you'd have to do that first of all. Okay. So we can now plot these 3 points on the x-axis. So we've got x equals 0, which is here. X equals minus 2 is about here. And x equals 4 is roughly here. So if it's a positive x cubed graph, it starts in the bottom left-hand corner. And it's got to cut through all 3 of these points because we have 3 different intersection points. So it'll go up like that, then back down, and then back 3, 4. So let's move on to example 2 then. This time we've got y equals x plus 3 squared, and then x minus 4. So again, if you make our factors equal to 0, this one's repeated twice. So we get x equals minus 3. Again, that one's minus 3, so it's repeated, and we get x equals 4 by adding 4. So we've got 2 intersection points, one at minus 3 and the other one at 4. So what's happening this time then, it's starting in the bottom left hand corner, and on that repeated route it's just going to touch it and then go back down, and then it's going to go back through the 4. So let's have a look at our third example then. So this time we've got y equals x minus 1 cubed. So this one is repeated 3 times, this factor. So we get x equals 1 3 times. So it's crossing the x-axis at 1. So it's only got the 1 intersection point. So this time the graph would be going up from the bottom left, touching it like that, and then going straight back up. So let's have a look at the final example. So this time we got minus x, x minus 2, x plus 3. So again, let's find our intersection points on the x-axis. So this one would be x equals 0. Add 2 on that one, x equals 2. Take 3 on that one. That would be minus 3. So this one is crossing here, crossing at 2, and crossing at minus 3. And you probably did notice that there's a minus sign in front of the first x. So this means the cubic is coming from the top left, not the bottom left, okay? So it's going to cut through the minus 3, then go back up, cut through the 0, and then go back down through the 2. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.